The only thing I like, let's say, the less about this radio is one thing. So the letters and words are very small. So if, let's just say, I will open the door so you can see. This shows a little car, okay, with the door that is open. Now it's my door, but if I open a back door it will be the same. This will show, but it's very tiny, very little. Other thing, portanto, this is one thing. Other thing I don't like much is when we came, let's just say, Chrome. Also, these letters are very small, these words are very small. As you can see over there, if you want to write something, it's very, very small. So this is the only two things I don't love, of course, but we can live with that, no problem. The main thing is we don't have any problems with the radio, no issues. So these letters, these small letters, I can live with that, no problem at all. Because of course this one, this is about to, let's say, if you go to your email, all again small letters, small words, okay, because this is in all the apps that we have, okay. Let's say you go to Google, same thing, okay. Here we can see better, but the words and the letters are a bit small, and that happens too in navigation. So if we came to Waze, an example, as you can see, words are very small and the letters are very small. So I talked to the seller also about this. He says this can't be changed. It's one thing that is common to all of these systems. I don't know, but I don't care either, because as I say, since this works fine for me, it's okay. Since I don't have any issues, this is okay. So we also have YouTube. So I must say I have, of course, a SIM card, and of course you can, like I did, put some musics and movies in the system memory. Bluetooth works very, very fine. I don't have any problem with this. Also, I use the mic. This one has a mic input, but I use I believe it's the OEM mic. It's about this one that comes here with my car, the original one. So I have one of that there, that this one I connected to the mic of the unit, but the unit also has this one, but I use the OEM mic, and that's that one. It's enough. I made some calls, tried to make some calls, and the people on the other side says that can hear me perfectly. So nothing to complain about that. About this one, so I will show you how Apple Car works, okay. So like I told you, I don't use this much, but I have here an iPhone, and I will try to do this. I will try to connect this. Let's just say, okay, it's there. So let's go to, so this is uses CarLink 2.0. I'm sorry, I don't use this much. Okay, so as you can see, works perfectly. I don't use, like I say, I don't use much this, no need of that. So, but it's working perfectly, okay. Whatever. So let's just get out of this. Okay, so as you can see, works fine, no problem with that. Like I say, I don't use much, but it works very good. So here we have the options of the system itself. Again, I don't go here because I will not, because the video is taking too long and it's getting boring, I know. So if you need to understand some of these, just search on the internet. There are a lot of videos made by other guys that will explain you this, how this works. I can only say that here you can see the GPS system. I also have other option, other app to do this, but we can take this annoying sound that most of you don't like. You can take it from here. Okay, now we don't have that sound, that annoying sound. We can also take these gauges off here. Okay, these we can also change. I don't know very well how to I mean, I'm still learning. I can change this, but no, I don't really understand much of this. So something I want to show you also is that we do have some features here that can be activated since your car has those things. Okay, so you can, if your car has a door in the doors that key code, you can put it here. Mine don't have. Also your seats, if you have massage seats, or I don't use this. Ambient lighting, if your car has ambient lighting, you can also change it here, it works fine. And other settings here, I don't really mess around much with this. You can see here this off-road, this is for off-road vehicles. I don't use this much. Also, you can change ambient lighting here. You can change a lot of things here. And about that, also one thing I really love about this unit that I can't do with the other ones that retain sync. I tried 2 or 3 of those units. So let's just say I'm hearing music or radio or whatever. It's the same thing. I go, let's to the equalizer. Okay, so here I can change a lot of things, like you see. Okay, according to your taste, you can change a lot of things here. No problem with that. But I couldn't do this. Let's just say I only want sound in the front left, only front left, only front right, only rear right, and only rear left. On the other units I have 2 of them with sync 2, and I can't do this. Those that retain sync 2, I can't do this because I don't know why. Maybe it's a bug of the system, I don't know. So this thing I love, because if you have passengers and they don't want to hear much music, you can put only on the front of the car or only 2 front seats. Okay, of course this has a lot of changing you can do here. I will not mess with that now because for now I'm only showing this. I will not so the video don't take too long. Okay, I believe this is all I have to show you. Like I say, you can always change to another launcher and set the launcher as default. My default of course is this one because I like it. I can always change the wallpaper if I want. I can put this one that is the original or the stock wallpaper. I can always change this one. Like I said, I don't know, let's put this one. Okay, this one, just for showing you, not I'll change it later again. So as you can see, I'm very happy with this thing. Another thing I can show you, let me just say, so I should, oh, okay, one of the most important things you guys are always asking, is it possible to split screen? Of course it's possible. You can put this here and this, okay? If you don't want, you just put this up. So also you can close all of this like a tablet, okay? Or you can press here, okay? So I told you before, this is a tablet, okay? And because I have internet I have the SIM card, okay? I can always watch television. Here, this is of I don't know how you say, but it's in Portugal. We are in Portugal. This is television, okay? This is live television, okay? So we can change channels. So very cool, very cool. As I told you, this you can do almost everything with this. You have apps to work with almost everything you want. Okay. So I believe I covered almost of the features. I didn't show you this, but I have also YouTube, YouTube Music. Here, let's play this. Okay, we have video. So, as you can see, I almost forgot about USB drive. Some of you may ask, yes, I have the stock USB working, okay? Some of you and some of these radios only work, the stock USB door only works if you have the sync system connected in the car, but this one works perfectly, okay? So as you can see, this is awesome. You can do almost everything you want as long as you install an app. Sorry, I need to pause this. Okay, can close everything now. Okay, and that's it, guys. If you do have some questions, doubts, please write them below the video. I will try to answer the things I know. Okay. Oh, about GPS, before I was talking you about. Like you see, I have also this app. We have now 17 to 18 satellites connected. Okay. For me, just now, I wish to thank you all to see the video. Like I told you, if you have some questions or some doubts, please make them. I hope to see you guys one day. Keep cool, keep good, keep safe. Cheers.